The Maihar dynasty dates 3 centuries back, when Beni Huzur Singh, a commander of Maharaja Chhatrasal of Panna, got this state as a reward in 1779 AD. His dynasty proved to be the patrons for several art forms, especially music. His Highness Brijnath Singh was a great lover of music. He is referred to as the famous Shishya of Ustad Alauddin Khan Sahib even now. The family of Ustad Alauddin Khan traces back its gharana, that is, ancestral tradition, to Mian Tansen, the 16th century musical genius. Khan Sahib himself was acknowledged as one of the greatest figures in North Indian music in the 20th century. Padma Vibhushan Acharya Alauddin Khan, reverentially called Baba, trained several disciples in Maihar. The list includes such names as the famous sitar maestro Pandit Ravi Shankar and the great name in Sarod the world over, Ustad Ali Akbar Khan. Ustad Alauddin Khan, His Highness Brijnath Singh, thus began a history-making long-term association. It also resulted in several innovations in Indian music, such as the Chandra Sarang, a unique combination of the sarod, the sarangi and the violin. Another brilliant innovation by Baba, the Nal Tarang. The sitar banjo is another example of Khan Sahib's excellence in creativity. A combine of the sitar and the banjo, as is evident, the beautiful instrument is full of specialities.
This is the process.
In those days of British rule, it was imperative for native rulers to support the army provided by the British. The presence of a military band was but obvious. In the very year of Baba's arrival at Maihar, that is, in 1918 AD, he founded an indigenously organized orchestra of Indian musical instruments. Initially, it came to be recognized as a string band, but soon it became famous by the name the Maihar Band. The first demonstration of the Maihar Band was held for the public in 1921 AD. At present, the band carries out its rehearsals in a very small room in this old building. Well, anyway, Baba's legacy continues. His illustrious son, Ustad Ali Akbar Khan Sahib, whenever in India, continues to guide the members. Although Baba isn't around, his music certainly is. Although it is no more a match to what it used to be. Bandish Volga. During his Europe tour, Baba composed this Bandish while on the banks of the river Volga. A haunting fusion of the East and the West indeed.